Ever pondered over the complexities of web development? Or how a tool like Python Django could be the game changer you need? Then you're in the right place. Python Django, a high-level web framework, is renowned for its simplicity and efficiency in web development. Today we explore Django's key features, benefits, and the steps to kickstart your journey with it. So, what is a web framework? It's the structure that simplifies building web applications, streamlining common tasks, and encouraging best practices. Django, crafted in Python, adheres to the model view controller architectural pattern, making it a reliable choice. Django's appeal lies in its promotion of rapid development, code reusability, and a clean, pragmatic design. Thanks to its batteries-included philosophy, Django arrives with built-in features, reducing reliance on external libraries. Getting Django up and running is a breeze. Install Django using pip, the Python package installer, with a straightforward command, pip install Django. To initiate a Django project, simply input Django admin start project followed by your project's name. Django's components include models, which define the database structure, views that handle user requests, templates that control the presentation layer, and URLs which map browser requests to the relevant views. Managing models, users, and permissions is made easy with Django's built-in admin panel. Customize it to suit your application's needs. Django plays well with multiple databases, including PostgreSQL, MySQL, and SQLite. This flexibility extends to Django's compatibility with Django REST framework, allowing you to build robust and scalable APIs and expand your application's functionality. Security is a paramount concern, and Django has you covered. It safeguards against common threats such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting. Django is a big proponent of testing, encouraging developers to write tests to ensure the application's reliability. When it's time to deploy your Django applications, there are various hosting options at your disposal, including platforms like Heroku and AWS. To sum it up, Python Django is a testament to the efficiency and elegance achievable in web development. Its user-friendly syntax, paired with a robust set of features, positions it as an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned developers. The world of web development awaits, and Python Django is your ticket in.